welcome back to my channel guys. but जल्दी रैप अप कर लेना चाहिए बिकॉज टाइम वक्त की कमी है। और देखिए मैंने अपनी बच्ची की पोनी चुराई भी है, लेकिन अभी दोबारा हेयर स्टाइल ऐसा नहीं बनने वाला, तो मैं जल्दी से बता देती हूँ कि आज हम गए थे देसी ढाबा इन लाहौर। And as you can tell by the videos that I recorded from there, the food was actually very amazing. I loved the barbecue. The chicken tikka was very nice, and you could actually taste the masala on it, and it was not very oily. Normally in Lahore now what you get these days is a very oily barbecue chicken tikka piece, but they actually don't put enough oil, and it's very nice. And I think if you're dieting and if you're planning to be on a diet, so you should try out their chicken tikka piece. Okay, what else did I order? I ordered chicken biryani because I love biryani, and I cannot I have to try out biryani in a few places where I go. So I ordered chicken biryani, and the biryani was actually so good. Oh, I had like 2 plates of biryani. I'm not ashamed, and I did share. So no, I didn't eat it all by myself. I did share my food with everybody. So what else did we order? We ordered we ordered beef kebab. So we ordered beef kebab. The beef kebab I didn't taste because I don't eat beef kebab. So everyone else said that the beef kebab were actually very nice. And what else did we order? We ordered some brain masala. So the brain masala actually was very nice. It did look a little tempting, but again, I don't eat brain masala, so I did not try that out. But jo maine suna sabse, everyone actually enjoyed the food at Desi Dhaba. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to link their location or their link in the bio or the description down below, and you can check that out. Uske alawa, what am I going to tell you? I can tell you that the food was actually very amazing. The service was very amazing because the waiter was not. The waiter was constantly there looking after us, and he made sure that हमें अच्छी service मिले and we were not to be disturbed. Normally I do go out in the kitchen and make videos of how the food is being prepared whenever and wherever I get the chance to do that. But I did get a chance to take a glimpse of the kitchen itself while I was going upstairs into their hall to sit, but I couldn't record a video because I was with family. So there are some priorities, and sometimes you can't just walk into some kitchen and record a video. What did I not like about this place? So झूठ मैं बोलती नहीं, खाना बहुत अच्छा था. खाना was not bad at all. What I did not like about it. So there are very few things that I didn't like about it. So the first being that as it is a family restaurant, बाल खराब हो गए. So as it is a family restaurant, so I really liked everything. Everything was complementing each other. The decor, the furniture, everything was the right balance where it's supposed to be. What I didn't like about this place was what I didn't like about this place. See, I can't think of anything because everything was so nice. The food was very nice, the restaurant was very nice, the waiters were very nice, and the menu was also very nice. What I didn't like about it, yes, the thing that I did like about this place was, again, previously mentioned, that there wasn't a kids menu where I could order something for my child. For example, because it's a Pakistani restaurant, I do understand that there are things that they need to look forward to. कि जैसे कि अगर खाना order कर रहे हैं, probably their market isn't like that जिसमें वो बच्चों को ज़्यादा cater करते होंगे. But being a family restaurant, I request them कि वो एक kids menu भी निकालें. And kids menu में basically what I recommend to different restaurants is कि kids menu में बेशक आप ज़्यादा बड़ा menu मत रखें, but at least just keep like regular fries, some nuggets if you can't do that, something that is very healthy or less spicy for the kids to enjoy. I know हमारे घर के बच्चे मिर्ची खा लेते हैं because हमारे घरों में मिर्चियाँ खानों में डलती हैं, but then again there are people who don't give spicy food to their kids. So I do urge and request all these food places कि please बच्चों के लिए एक मेन्यू निकालें, which is very important. इसके अलावा आई डिडंट देयर इज़ नथिंग, मतलब ऐसी कोई चीज़ नहीं है जो मैं बोलूँगी which wasn't in the right place. They were following safety protocols. They did have a fire extinguisher and a fire escape plan. अब मैं झूठ बोलूँगी अगर मैं कोई नुक्स इसमें से निकालूँगी एंड इफ आई कीप ऑन टेलिंग यू कि ओह इसमें ये गड़बड़ है, ये ख़राब था. Everything was actually in place. The restaurant itself was very nice. It was very clean. View was amazing. The view was beautiful. If they had an option to do something outdoors, that would be amazing, because the barbecue, honestly, you need to try this place out just for the barbecue, honestly. Next time I want to go out there and try out some mutton chops and mice, but अभी तो मौका नहीं मिला. लेकिन इसी के साथ साथ I'm gonna wrap up this video and I'm gonna see you guys very soon. Take care. Thanks for watching.